This is the Mitsubishi Electric FX3U-48U test rig in use. One of the Kontroltek engineers, Rob, is using it to test a customer's aluminium full tray stacker. The stacker was sent into Kontroltek South Wales workshop because it was suffering several issues. Rob found faults with the power supply, sensors and wiring. After repairing, he used the Mitsubishi PLC to simulate the stacker's normal environment. He programmed the PLC to send signals to the stacker, giving the impression it was under normal operation. Rob warranted the work carried out for 12 months. By having a bespoke test rig, Rob was able to guarantee the stacker would be in working order upon return. Need a repair? Call your local Kontroltek branch today. For UK South and overseas, please call +44 1656 330 460. For UK North and Midlands, please call +44 121 647 6600.